guys like the channel, like what you see, hit that subscribe button. And then hit that little bell, and you'll get notified every time I put out a new video, like this one. And give me a thumbs up. Hey guys, it's Rich with Mowers N Blowers OutDone. Psh. Hey, on the way to the auction. 2021. Happy New Year. 2021. So we have a lot of things planned for 2021. Some swag, coffee cups, t-shirts, stickers. We got some other videos coming up on different things. So a website, working on that. Mowers N Blowers OutDone.com. Alright, you guys. So if you check out my channel, don't forget to subscribe to it. And hit the little bell, and you can get notifications when I put out a new video. So, alright guys, we'll see you at the auction. Alright guys, out here at the auction. It's Rich with Mowers N Blowers OutDone. Psh. Got a lot of trailers filled with stuff, auctioning off. It is January 2021. Got a couple little piles of stuff out here, not much. We had an ice storm, so not much out here. What do we got? What are we looking at? Check out this little trailer. Little toolbox. Let's investigate this, see what's going on here. So they'll be auctioning this off. Got a nice handle. Roll it around inside. Put all your tools in there. You got a little shelf up there. Know if somebody wanted to make one of these, we're gonna investigate this, see what can be done. So we got a little prop there. Now it'd be nice if that could fold up, but maybe not. Box doesn't seem to come off, at least with one hand. Oh yeah, it does. Alright, let's pause it, and I'll get the box off and we'll take a closer look at it, see how it's made. So we got some angle iron here. It's kind of welded together. Could probably use like a toy, find some kind of toy with a little wheel on it, take the toy off of it, and put the handle on there like that. Got a couple nuts on there. Be a handy little trailer. I don't know, should I buy it? You guys have to, or should I try to make one? Comment. Write me a comment. Should I buy this stuff like this? Make my life a little easier? Well, we'll have to wait and see. It's about 33 degrees outside, so I don't know if I'm going to say too much. Wait for this. They got a lot of trailers in there. What do we got here? What are we looking at? This is just a little snowblower. Trying to see the name of it. Troy bill. It's red. What do you think? What do you think the name of this is? Leave a comment and figure it out. Almost looks like a toy though, because it's not going to handle any real snow. Does it pull over? Yeah. Has electric start on it? Are you kidding me? I've seen bigger ones that don't have electric start. Here we go. Look at that. Is it gonna push much snow? It's cute. Let's just for what do we call shits and giggles? Let's see if anything happens. Turn it on. Almost started. So yeah. Choke. Let's see about the choke. The choke is on. Let's see if there's any gas in it. Oh, there's gas in it. So I'm sure it'll start. Alright, so I pulled it about 5 or 6 times and it almost started. So let's see if we can go from here. And she runs, people. Still haven't seen a name on it, so if you guys know what kind it is, let me know. See if we got a model number. Here we go. Tecumseh Products Company. Here's a nice little case here. Then we have a couple weed eaters, a Home Light and a Craftsman. Ooh, that one doesn't sound good. Probably why it's at the auction. Needs some repair. Alright, then we have a trailer over there filled with stuff. Let's go check that out. Alright, here's the trailer. Nice generator. Looks like a hedge trimmer. Nice heater for my garage. That'd be nice. A couple heaters. Oh, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heaters. Air compressor. What is in the bag? Looks like some parkan lights. Ooh, music stands to hold instruments. This would be a nice one to have. Then we have this. What do we got? What are we looking at over here? Snowblower. There we go. It's a yard machine by MTD, which makes all kinds of stuff that would look similar to the MTDs. They make some stuff for craftsmen, all different kinds of snow blowers. They all look the same, just different name, called private label rights. So we got a 4.5 horsepower, 21 inch, 2 cycle, 11 inch intake. Let's see, I'm not going to try to start this one, but sitting on this trailer. Ooh, that one almost started. Look at that. It's not even turned on. Almost started. Sounds like a good one. Good compression anyways. So probably need a carb clean. Maybe, maybe not. Is there any petrol in it? Yep, I see petrol in it. So this one will probably start. Just got to crank it about 20 times.
Yeah, well, there you go.
What do we got? It's chainsaw, steel. Power washer hander. Ooh, that'll come in handy. Engine that somebody tried to fix. This guy liked his heat. A lot of heaters on here. Kirby vacuum. Now that thing,
$3,000.
that thing's like $3,000, like you said. We'll say it'll probably bring 10 bucks, if that. Kohler Courage 6.5. Got another generator. So, generators. I picked one up on the side of the road, and I don't know about working on them. So I'm gonna give it a try in one of my videos coming up. I'm gonna work on a generator, but I've been staying away from them. Some nice lights. What are these? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. At least they're an even number. Put them around the garage or house. Then we have a Troy-built power washer. Which usually happens to these. People leave water in them, and they crack. Right down here, they get a little crack in them, and then they start leaking. So, and the cracks are usually, you can't see them by your just looking at them. Takes that pressure. Now, what is this one? Does it even say somewhere on here? This is a 2200. So you got 2200 psi. That's pounds per square inch coming out here. And if you get just a hairline crack in there, it will, that 22 psi will come right out. It'll squirt it right out. So it's usually what happens. But take the motor off, do something with that. You can keep the little stand and make a little card out of it, put your toolbox on it and roll it around. This right here, this hose and stuff's worth 10-15 bucks. There are some attachments to it still left up here. They didn't lose them all. So we got Delicate, General, and the red one is Max. So, it has potential. All right, so these guys still in the barn auctioning off way over there, and we will just kind of wait around for a few minutes.
Years ago, how much here, guys? Somebody give you 200. Yep, $200 on 2. We got 200 on 2. We got 2. Give me a $100 bill. $100 bill. $100 bill. $100 bill. $100 bill. $50. 20. 20. Now 30. $30. 40. Yep, $40 on 50. $50 on $50 on 50. Now 60. $60 on 60. Come on, guys, on the generator. $60 on 60. I got 50 now. 60. We got 60. $50. 4351.
On the pressure washer right here, lot 9. On the pressure washer, we get $50 here. 50, we get 20 on it. $20 where we get 20.
Yes.
20 now 5. $20 now 5. 25. $25. $20 now 5. Where would we get 25? $20 now 5. 25. $20 5. Anybody get 25? $20.
979, you get that? Right here on the glad hand, right there. Give me a couple bucks on that, guys. $2 on, $2 on. Give me a dollar. Dollar. We gotta give a dollar bill. We got a dollar bill. We got a dollar. Nobody want it? How about the seat right here? Give me $10 on the seat. $10. $10. 5. 7 and a half. Yep. 7 and a half. 7 and a half. 7 and a half. Now 10. Give me $10 on. $10. 12 and a half. Turn my speaker on. 12 and a half. Now 15. $15. $15 on 15, we got 15 on 15, 12 and a half, 808, 808, 12 and a half dollars.
You're buying the lights right here, a whole box of lights.
That's the lights that goes into the landscaping bricks and stuff.
We get $10 on the box, 10 where we get $5 for them, $5 on the lights, couple dollars on the lights, $2, 3, now 4, now 5, now 6, $5 now 6, 5, 6 where, $5 now 6, anybody get 6, $5, 6, now 7, 7 now 8, got it 8, we said that before, 8, 7 now 8, $8, $7, 213.
On the heater, give me $10. Yep, $10 on, $10, 5, 2, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, $8, $8, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9, $9.99, give me $10. $10, $10, $10, $11, $13 off 15, we got $13 off 13 off 13 off 13, $12 on them.
Ooh, $12.
682, I'm sending right underneath here.
You're buying this pressure washer right here, the Roacher, who get $50 here, $20 on it, who get 20 wherever, $10 bill, 10 wherever, who get $5 on it.
On the power washer.
$5, couple dollars, $2, $3 now, $3 now, $4 now, $5 that'll be $5 now, $6, $5, $6 now, $7 that'll be $7 now, $8, $7, $8 now, $9 that'll be $9, $8 now, $9 wherever for $9, $8.96.
Right here, you got this heater here, guys. Don't even look like hardly been used, guys. How much here? Take a look there. What have been for them? Looks like the hose, everything's all there.
80,000 BTU.
Right here, yep, we got everything right here, guys. Somebody give me $25. 25, yep, 25, 10, 15, $15 on the heater, you got $10, $15. Now 20, $20 on 20, you got 15, now 17 and a half on the heater. Now 20, $20 on 20, now 2 and a half. Yep, 22 and a half, 22 and a half, got 20 behind me, now 2 and a half. 22 and a half, 22 and a half, 22 and a half, 5, 25, 7 and a half, 25, 30, $30 now 5, now 40, $40 on 40, now 5, 45, 45, now 50, $50, 50, $45 over here, number 7668. He said they both work. Both of them electric heaters. You buy 1 or 2 on the electric heaters.
They both look like stoves.
He said they both work right there. Give me $25. 25. Yep, 25. Maybe we got 25. Give me $10 on the electric heater. $10. $10. You say yeah? $10 bill. $10 bill. We'll go somewhere else to talk. $10 bill. $10 bill. $10 bill. 15. 15, I got 10 over here now, 12 and a half. 12 and a half, I got 10, I need 12 and a half on the heater. 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 12 and a half, 12 and a half. $10 back here, number. What is it? Turn it up. 7669, you want them both? There's 2 of them.
They're different looking, but they're the same. That makes sense.
Which one do you want? The heater. 7669 gets 1.
We got the gas motor right here, the Tecumseh 5-horse gas motor. Says the carb needs clean. who get $10 on it. 10 where who get $5 on it. Couple dollars on the engine. Tom, couple dollars. $2 where would have been 2. Huh?
It's not locked up, is it?
No, it turns over.
$2. Whoa, it almost started.
$2 now 3 where would have been 3. $3. 3 now 4. $4 now 5. Got to be 5 now 6. $5 6 where would have been 6. Anybody get 6? $5 number 379.
$5 on the rules. $5, $2.
Weed eaters right there, parts, pieces, buy them and like them. Who get $5 for the pair? Couple dollars on the pair. $2, dollar on the pair. $2 now 2. Where would it be 2? Anybody get 2? Dollar number 6411.
Hey guys, we got 3 lights here. We got this light, that light, and the spotlight. Somebody get $5 for all them lights. $5. Who said 5? 5, 7.5. There's 3 lights. You got that light, and you got these. The chainsaw, it's a steel, guys. Give me $25. 25 on the steel. 25. Yep, 25. Maybe got 25. Give me $10. $10 on the steel. 10, 15. Now 20. $20. 20 now 5. I got 20 now 5. Wait, I got 20 now 5. Wait, I got 20 now 5. $20 right here. 7169. 7169 on the skateboard. Give me $10. $10 bill. 5.
Get $50 here. 50. Who get $20 on it? 20. Where would it be 20? Anybody get $10 on it? On the generator, 10, 12 and a half. $10 bid, 12.
Generator, yes.
12 and a half, 15. 15 now, 17 and a half. $15,
Generator,
17 and a half. Anybody want to get 17 and a half? 15 bid, 17 and a half. Anybody want to get 17 and a half? $15, 379.
All right, choice out on these 3 right here. He said all these work. Not the black one, that's parts. But choice out, all them work, them heaters. Somebody give me $50, choice out. 30. $30 off, $30, $30, we're able to get $30, $20. $20. On the heater, I got 10, 12 and a half. 12 and a half, 15. 15 now, 17 and a half. He said they all work. 17 and a half, 17 and a half. I got 15.
Heaters.
17 and a half. Heaters now, 20. 20 now, 2 and a half. 22 and a half. 22 and a half. 25, 25, 5, 25, 5, 25. Wait, we got 25. $25 off, 25. 22 and a half right here.
7728.
7728.
I'd at least take 2.
Exactly.
I'd take 3, really. I'll just take that one.
Takes the 1. Okay, buy the piece times 2. On the yellow ones, buy the piece, you gotta take them both. Right here, and we'll throw the yellow one in there for free. How much here, guys? Somebody give me $10 a piece. 10, 12 and a half. 12 and a half. I got $10, 12 and a half, 12 and a half. I got 12 and a half, 12 and a half. $11 a piece on the heaters. He said they work. $11. $11, $11, $11, $11, $11, where we go, $11, $11. $10 times 2.
45.38.
45.38. 45.38.
4 of these.
On the chairs, buy the piece times 4.
Who get $15 on it? Who get $10 on it?
Is that Honda?
Holder.
Roller, guys.
$10. $5 on
Come on,
it.
guys. Yes.
5, 6,
Yes,
6
yes,
now, 7,
yes,
7
yes,
now, 8,
yes,
7,
yes.
9 now, 10,
Yes.
10 now, 11, $10 bid now, 11 to where, 11, one bid 11,
Bill, 11
11 now,
yes.
12, $11 now, 12, where would it be 12, everybody give 12, $11 bid now, 12, where would it be 12, would it be 12, $11, 379.
Hey, Mike, what's the story on this?
Compressor works, but one of the copper lines needs tightened.
The copper line needs tightened right here, but he says it works, guys. Take a look there. How much here? Somebody give me 100 and a half. 100 air compressor. $100 bill, $100 bill, $100 bill, $100 bill. $50. $50, guys. $50 out. 110, guys. Give me $50.
20.
20, 30. $30 on the compressor, guys. $30. I got 20 now, $30 out, $30 out, 20 now, 5. $25, guys. That's no money there. On a working compressor, I'll plug it in. Go ahead, something.
Trailer saw?
No.
On the hair dryer right
Plug it
there.
in.
Who get 20?
20 now 5, 20 now 5, 20 now 5, 20 now 2 and a half, 22 and a half, 22 and a half on the snowblower. Now 5, 25, 25, 22 and a half over here, number 54.90. Hey, Mike, what fly, guys? That's that. Needs tighten there. Twist it out there. Now who'll give me a $7?
He was at 20.
How much here? $50. 20, now 5. 25, now 30. $30, now 5. 30 now 5, 30 now 5, 30 now 5, 30 now 5, 30 now 5. 35, 2 and a half. $32.5, $30 now, $2.5, $32.5, $32.5. Now 5, 35 on the air compressor, 35,
Yeah.
35, 7.5, 37.5, 40, $40 on 40, now 2.5, 42.5, 42.5, 5, 45, 45, 7.5, 47.5, 47.5, $45, 7233. You're not mad because you could.
Get $5 here. Five, couple dollars on them. Two where would have been two. Anybody give $1? Now $2. Now two where would have been two. Anybody give $2? $12.15. You got. Let's solve the toolbox right
But
here.
this is, I think, is locked 8.
Chuck says it isn't, so Chuck knows.
I know what it is.
$7,007 on the light and the buckets and miscellaneous. Night.
Yeah.
Who give $20 here? 20. Who give $10 on the toolbox? 10. Where would have been 10? Nice box. $10. With the cart? With the cart, no. $10. 5. 7.5. $5. 7.5. Anybody give 7.5? 7.5. Now 10. $10. 10. Want to give 10? Believe I would. 10. $10. $7.50. 7.566. Now you got the tires in the basket right there. $5. Couple dollars.
No.
$1, $2, now 2, where would have been 2? Anybody give 2? You say 2, now 3, now 4, $4, $3 now 4, where would have been 4? $3, 6616. Now you got the little box right there to go. Who get $5 there? 5, couple dollars on it. $2, 2, 3, $2 now 3, where would have been 3? Anybody give 3 on the box? $2, 3, where would have been 3? $2, 5969. Now you got the snowblower right here.
It runs.
I heard them starting it right there. We got $10 on it. 10, 5, 5. Where anybody get a couple dollars on it? $2, 3. Where would have been 3? Now 4. 4 now 5. $5 would have been 5. Now 6. Now 7. $7 on it. 6, 7. Where would have been 7? $7. 7 now 8. 7, $8. 8 almost had it. $8. $7. $7,668.
Hey, it's Rich from Mowers N Blowers OutDone. Psh. Hey, what do we got? What are we looking at? Just finished up at the auction and got that little toolbox. I got a stand for my camera, and what else I buy? Some floor mats for. I'm working on a Ford Ranger, so something you guys don't know about. That I work on cars also, and trucks. In this case, a Ford Ranger. I just sold one Ford Ranger, got it going, and I got another Ford Ranger. I bought some floor mats for it, and we will see you next time on Mowers N Blowers OutDone. Psh.